Yeah, a flat foot can actually cause foot pain, ankle pain, knee pain, hip pain, and even back pain, Brad.
It's like the hip bone's connected
Uh,
to the foot bone
that's
kind
right.
of a deal. Yeah.
So we're going to show how to tape it.
Tape.
Right.
Oh, we got some special tape here. We'll explain it all.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
So we want to tape it to see if it helps your pain, Brad. That's all we're doing is experiment. So we'll tape it. If it helps, you actually may get a permanent arch support then if it works.
Right. And taping is something that therapists have been doing for many years, but it's not just
This
duct
is a
tape.
really effective method
Yep.
taught by Rick Olderman, our hero.
God, Bob.
Check it out.
Another hero.
So Brad has decided he will tape my foot.
Bob, I'm ready to do it. I've done this many times, so it should go fairly well. But I'm a little nervous in front of the camera.
All right, we got two types of tape. The first tape is to protect the skin.
Right.
It's
Right.
called a strapping tape.
Yep.
I know it's called a coverall stretch.
Cover roll. So I always think that's kind of the base of what you put on first. Let's show you the marking points. This green circle here is his lateral malleolus, or the ankle bone on the outside. We also use the medial malleolus, the ankle bone on the inside, and those are landmarks that I'm going to use for putting this first base layer on. So the way this works is you peel off the paper tape so the adhesive is exposed. There it is. Okay. Now, if I pull this all the way off, you can do it that way. But if this touches the sticky side, it really
It's a
becomes
real
a problem.
pain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That makes me say bad words.
So
and
we're
will
going
not
to
have.
cover the lateral malleolus.
Yep. Over the top. We can see, well, you can't see it, but I'll show you later. We'll get a good view of it. So see, I'm pulling it off, getting all the wrinkles out. There we go. Ah, yes. And we're going to come around to the back side, kind of right through the bottom of the foot.
Probably clip half of the bone.
Yep, on this side. So you'll see it once I get it on there, what
You
Bob
could do
was talking about.
this yourself, but
Yep.
it'll take some practice.
Yeah, exactly. A little practice makes perfect. There we go. There we go. Half of that.
He's clipped it and he's spiraling up.
Yes, sir. All the way around, and then we're going to come across the anterior tib, or the shin
Very
bone. There. All right. Make sure it's down. It's absolutely critical that the skin is clean. There's no lotion.
Absolutely.
Yep, it's all dry and clean for obvious reasons. I want it to stick for a number of days. Now I have
That's a rigid strapping tape.
right. So there's no stretch to this.
Again, we'll have the link for the two tapes below.
Yep. And this you put right over the top. Now at this point, when I start to come over the top of the ankle bone and over the shin, I want to make sure I grab the foot, and I'm going to supinate, or bring it in this way. This way is pronation, this way is supination.
He's going to give it more arch.
Yep. And then when it's in that position, I can apply the tape the rest of the way, try and get the wrinkles. There we go. All the way up, flatten it out. Trying to get it wrinkle free.
And you hear it down.
And you take your time with this. You can see his foot is angled in
Right,
this way a little
it's
bit.
helping hold my foot.
Yep. So this is supporting the arch in a supinated position.
Again,
me.
if this takes away your pain, you can keep it on for a day or so. If your pain really improves, you may want to consider getting an arch support, a permanent one.
Just putting the tape on, we have to put weight bearing on it,
Right,
So
we
you have to
gotta
stand
walk
on
on
it,
it,
walk on
right.
it. So yeah, just to make sure that that's clear.
And a fair skin warning, if you're blonde hair, blue eyes,
Yep.
your skin still may break down even though you got the coverall tape on it.
Right. So, and I've had this happen where
Oh, I have too.
the skin turns red. It'll start to itch. If that starts around there,
You got to take it
You
off.
got to take it off. You're not a candidate.
And it
for
could be after, it could be fine for 2 days.
Sure.
And all of a sudden start up.
Yep.
All right. You're going to have good foot health now, Brad.
That's right, Bob. Little tape. Give you some big answers on how to be pain-free in the feet.
Sounds good.
Is that it? Pain-free or soul-free or arch-free or?
Got it.
Forget it.
Right.
It'll work.